Hello friend, in this video we are going to calculate the number of molecules, right? So the formula we are going to use is number of molecule is equals to given mass into Avogadro number. The symbol of Avogadro number is Na and divided by formula mass. The value of Avogadro number is 6.02 exponent 23, right? So just proceed to the question number 1. Our question number 1 says calculate the number of molecule in 10 gram water. So first we are going to create the data, and what you have to write here is first calculate the formula mass of H2O. Okay, so the formula mass of H2O is hydrogen is 1 and it contains the 2 molecules, so it will become 1 into 2 plus oxygen. The mass number of oxygen is 16, so it will become 18 AMU. Okay, the next thing is our mass. Mass is equals to 10 gram. That will be given in your question already. Okay, so the next thing that you have to write from yourself is Avogadro number, and the value of Avogadro number is 6.02 exponent 23. So I will just copy and paste over here. Okay, so the time here for pasting the formula, that is number of molecule is equals to given mass multiplied by Na over formula mass. Just paste over here. Is paste over here, and the next thing is to substitute the value. So the molecule is equals to given mass is 10 gram multiply by 6.02 exponent 23, and after that you have to divide with formula mass, that is 18. Okay, so just use the calculator. The first thing that you have to do is clear the previous reading. 10 divided by 18 is equals to 0.555 multiply by 6.02. This is the easiest way to calculate the number of molecule. And what about the exponent 23? You just have to paste after this value. So the value is 3.34. Okay, so what I am going to write here is 3.34, and the remaining exponent 23 will be copied and pasted over here, and the unit will be molecules. Okay, so it becomes 3.34 exponent 23 molecules in 10 gram of water. The next question in our list is calculate the number of molecule in 50 gram NH3. First you have to create the data and write the mass is equals to 50 gram. Okay, formula mass is formula mass of NH3 is equals to the atomic mass, the mass number of nitrogen is 14 and the mass number of hydrogen is 1, and it contains 3 number of atom is multiplied by 3, so it will become 15. Okay, 14 plus 3 is equals to 17 AMU. Okay, the next thing is Avogadro number. That is always same, it's a constant value, 6.02 exponent 23. Just copy it and paste over here, and the formula that you have to use is number of molecule is equals to given mass into Avogadro number over formula mass. Just copy and paste over here, the formula is same. Okay, the next thing is to substitute the value. So molecule is equals to given mass is 50 multiply by Avogadro number is 6.02 exponent 23. Just copy over here and paste over here. Okay, and it will be divided by the formula mass, that is 17. Again, you have to go onto the calculator, erase the previous values. 50 divided by 17, the answer will be 2.94. that will be multiplied by 6.02, the answer will become 17.70. okay, so 17.70, and the remaining exponent 10 to the power 23 will be pasted after that, and the unit of that will be molecule. So what we can say that there are 17.70 exponent 23 molecules in 50 gram of NH3. So this is how simply that can you calculate the number of molecule. So the last question in our series is calculate the number of molecule in 5 gram of glucose. Okay, first you have to create the data, and the second thing you have to write the mass is equals to 5 gram formula mass of glucose. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. okay, is equals to, by the way, this 6, 12 and 6 will be in the subscript. It will be not bigger as size of C, it will be smaller, and at the bottom of C, H and O, it will be a subscript. Okay, I don't have a tool right here, so I am just writing like this. You don't have to write like this on your paper, just write the 6 on the subscript. Okay, so calculate the formula mass. The mass number of carbon is 12 and it contains the 6th number of atom. The next thing is hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen and the mass number of hydrogen is 1 and it will be multiplied by 12. Similarly, the mass number of oxygen is 16 and it will be multiplied by 6. Okay, so just take another one step to calculate it. 12 into 6 is 72, while 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, and 16 into 6 is, I hope, 96, right? Just confirm. 16 into 6 is 96, yes. 96 plus 72 plus 12. The whole sum of glucose is 180. So that will become 180 AMU. Okay, right. The next step is to just copy the formula from here and paste over there. Just copy and paste the formula to use over in this question. Okay, so substitute the value. Molecule is equals to, given mass is 5, the Avogadro number is 6.02 exponent 23. I will copy from here and paste right here. Okay, just create the brackets and divide it by 180. Again, go to the calculator, erase the previous value. Given mass is 15, molecular mass is 180. 5 divided by 180 is equals to 0.02. Multiply it with 6.02. The answer will become 0.167. So I will write here 0.167 and the remaining exponent 22 will be copied and pasted right after it, and the unit will be molecules. So this is the way that you can calculate the number of molecule in any type of questions, especially for compounds. Hope you understand this lecture. If you have any question related to this question, just you can comment into the comment section box, and I will try my best to answer all your queries. Thanks for your support and just subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you in our next lecture.